Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss how to please Lord Shiva. As we all know that Lord Shiva is considered as the most divine among Hindu gods. Hence, he is given the name as Mahadev. It is believed that Lord Shiva is the father of whole universe, while his wife Mata Parvati is considered the mother of whole universe. So they are considered as the universal parents. His son, Lord Ganesha, is considered to be the one eligible for the first worship. So devotees during any form of Hindu puja or rituals offer their prayer to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is one who is considered as the god residing in burial grounds, indicating his disregard for the worldly pleasures. Unlike other gods, he needs no ornaments or such decoration. Not even a beautiful cloth is required. Just a plain white ash is sufficient to pray him. In order to please Lord Shiva, it is important to pour holy water, that is Ganga Jal, on Shivling every Monday. And also it is important to Abhishek Shivling every day. There are six different dravyas which have much importance in Shivling Abhishek. That includes milk, yogurt, honey, ghee, sugar and water. To please Lord Shiva, having fast gives you immense blessings from Lord Shiva. It is also believed that there should be Narmadeshwar Shivling in the house. In order to please Lord Shiva, you should wear Rudraksh Mala, which protects you from negative energy. And also chant Mahamrityunjay mantra as many times as possible in the morning. You should also offer bale leaves, as they are considered the most favorite to Lord Shiva. Put them on Shivling. If possible, you can also offer Jaledu flowers, that is from Madar tree. Both bale and Jaledu are the ones which can be found in nearby farms or forest. If possible, you can visit any of the Jyotirling near your place in India, like Varanasi, Nasik, Ujjain, etc. If the prayer is on Monday, carry some prasad to temple. If possible, distribute to people out there. And now we will discuss benefits of Shiv Puja. Unmarried women worship Lord Shiva to get married soon, as they may get an ideal husband like Lord Shiva. Married women pray for the long life and the good health of their husband and child. It is also believed that Monday is the day of Lord, so while doing Shiv Puja on Monday will bless you with good husband and wife. Shiv Puja removes obstacles from life, boosts your knowledge and health. You will be blessed with prosperity, peace, harmony and marriage. Married women keep fast for well-being and long-lying life of their husband and children. To get new vehicle, please Lord Shiva by bathing him with curd. To attain salvation, devotees should take bath in the holy river like Ganga. To be blessed with wealth and prosperity, offer honey and ghee and sugar cane to Lord Shiva. If the person makes offering in the form of honey, ghee and sugar, he would be blessed with wealth and prosperity. So now we will discuss rules of Shiv Puja. Whenever you prepare Panchamrit, never keep milk, curd in the bronze matter. You should keep your fingers out from the water, milk, ghee, etc. because touching them from nails makes it unauspicious. The flower of champa should not be used in Shiv Puja. The bale patra used in Shiv Puja should be of thread leaves. The Shiv Puja always offer coconut without breaking it. Tulsi leaves are not offered to Lord Shiva or Parvati. Kumkum and haldi are not offered to Lord Shiva. After Shiv Puja, oblations should be thrown in the running water like lake, sea, and if possible, keep in the flower pot of your home or trees except Tulsi or people. At the time of reciting Shiv mantra, always sit on woolen clothes and offer akshat and flowers to Shivling. Never use steel utensils for Abhishek. Never put the Shiv Abhishek water in the Tulsi. So these are the ways how to please Lord Shiva, and I have also informed you the rules of Shiv Puja. So keep doing puja at your home to get blessings from Lord Shiva. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe this video. Thank you.